Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So what you will have to gonna do, you will have to just simply, first of all, you will have to just open the WhatsApp app on the Android device. So you have to just go to their profile. So you will see I will not uploaded any picture. So you will just make sure this one thing, you have to go to the chat settings and you will just media visibility to turn it on. Make sure this setting you will have to do it for best quality profile picture on the WhatsApp. So you will what to do, you will just open the Play Store and you will just write WhatsApp and check the your app is latest version is up to date. So mine is already updated. So if you are see the update button, you will have to just update your app and you will put the profile. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.